Hey everybody, it's Landry / Bambi, and today I'm going to be doing, drumroll please, the slime that doesn't rip. The slime that doesn't, basically, this is just a fun video, but before I get started, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notifications bell. So let's get started. So basically, this slime is like it said in the title, the slime that doesn't rip, or does not rip, however I read it. Well, this slime does not rip because there's a lot of slimes who just rip. Of course it does rip, but you have to put so much strength into it. This is that's what it does if you try to just regularly rip it. But if you go by really fast, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it does. Gee, that didn't even go. See what I mean? It doesn't rip. Now, but this slime is still really good. Just because it doesn't rip doesn't mean it's bad. So basically, this is not sponsored. I'm just mentioning it. It is Play-Doh slime by hold on, let me get the sticker off because you guys may not see it. Oh geez, no. Came in this container, but there was a from. So, because I got it on a stocking that we do. Anywho, unfortunately, once I get to, this will probably be in a long time, but 1 million subscribers, I will try my best to do giveaways. But that's probably going to be in a long time. So when I get 1 million, when me and Kiara get 1 million subs. And also today, I'm just so happy. So happy today because I finally found something that it was of Kiara, and her mom gave it to her. I'm not naming the name of her mom or anything like that, but I'll just show you the face of it. Okay, her mom gave her this, so yeah. Anywho, she lost it here, and she would be so happy to see it again. She was so upset. Okay, you guys, this is just turning into a strip video. Point. People. Actually, you know what I should do? That would probably be better like this. That's not gonna work. That is totally. Okay, maybe I'll just no, that's not gonna work. Oh, I almost got it on my clothes. No, I don't want to get it on my clothes. No, thank you. That's a no. So, what do I do? No clue. Okay, so you guys, let's hope that's good enough. Let me just see. Maybe farther. Okay, so I think that's a lot better. Won't fight me? Fight me, bruh. I'm talking to the snowman towel. You know what this reminds me of? Every time I see an onion, it reminds me of the Grinch. You know in the movie how he just bites the onion like it's an apple? That's strange. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be like slapping this down, except I'm gonna have it low like that. Are you guys ready? Oh, that's nice and satisfying. That one was the best. I'm gonna try to make it go really good. That was horrible. I just landed straight on the floor. Let's try that again. That was horrible again. It gone down. Okay. Well, I would like to give a shout out. Not now though. Not now though. So I have also really bad news. So there's a chance that, well, we might just get to 90 subscribers or 100 subscribers by the end of this month. That was not bad news. Good news. That was tricking you. Yeah, but let's try, please, oh please, to make it to 100 subscribers. And if we make it to 100 subscribers, we will do an epic video, like challenges, how to do DIY, and others in one video. And we might even try out some weird foods. So let's please, oh please, get to 100 subscribers by the end of December 2019. So please also go and make Marshmallow Kid have more subscribers, because sadly, before we've had this channel, basically, me and Kiara have had this channel for, Marshmallow Kid has had this channel, I can't talk today. Marshmallow Kid has had his channel longer than me and Kiara. Chicken Berry. He's only at 34, 36, 37, 32, something like that, in the 30s. Well, we're in the 60s. 69 subs. And I will be talking, I've not told Kiara yet, but I was thinking for a new name for you guys. So, this has not been requested because we can't really do, like comments because of YouTube, but it's fine. So, let's please do a thumbs up if you think that you want to do the name The Awesomes. Because not only you guys are awesome, but you're incredible. So we might even call you the Incredibles. Probably the Incredibles because it's a movie, but it just sounds better than Awesomeness. Because Awesomers, because that just sounds a little weird. But Incredibles, I think that's going to be a great one. But if you want a different one, go to my next video with Kiara, which will be coming up in, I believe, January. But I will still be posting, so please have a great day And remember, stay an animal.